Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an old school, kind of weird type video, one that I've never done on my channel, and that video is a what's in my bag kind of video. So I haven't sorted anything out. There is so much junk in here, it is absolutely ridiculous. So I figured why not clean it out, and at the same time I can show you guys what's in there. So if you want to see what's in my bag, then of course please keep watching. So the first thing that I see in the bag are these dirty socks. They have these little kitty faces on the front. They're actually super cute, but I always have dirty socks in my bag. I have lots of fun socks that I wear at work every day because you can like see them through my shoes, but I always have to like bring them home and they end up in my handbag, so I always have dirty socks in my bag. Ugh. The next thing I have is this ugly, tacky little cheetah bag here, and this is full of girly stuff. There's a couple of like pads, tampons, but also some like Nurofen. I've got some like heartburn stuff in there, some Panadol, some sore throat lozenges, just like the boring goods, but they've got to be in there. Next, I have my glasses. These glasses here are just from Country Road. They're like a grey sort of marble type pattern. I don't really wear my glasses all that much, but definitely when I go to like sports and stuff where I can't see further away, it just like clears them up, so I am short-sighted. I think I can't see far away very well. The next thing I have is some Mentos Gum. I always have gum in my bag because this gal needs some fresh breath, obviously. The next thing I have in here are some receipts. This one here is from Chemist Warehouse. Oh, they had like they had 50% off like all cosmetics, so I bought so much stuff. I bought $109.08 worth of stuff. Totally unnecessary. I went in there for like the Maybelline eyebrow tattoo thing. Ended up with like what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 things. Next thing I have in here is a hand cream. This is an Enquires hand cream, guava and lychee sorbet. This one is freaking delish. My other favorite one is the coconut and elderflower. Coconut and elderflower hand cream. My god, it smells so good. The Enquires hand creams are like delish. They smell like amazing perfumes. I don't know. Every time I used to wear the coconut and elderflower one, I used to wear it at work all the time. People would always be like, what is that smell? And I'd be like, it's just my hand cream, girl, just my hand cream. Next thing I have is a portable charger. It is absolutely filthy. Ugh, god, that's so disgusting. But I always have my portable charger with me, especially because I work long nights and stuff, so I need something to keep me going. And another hand cream. This one is the Palmer's Shea Formula Raw Sheer Hand Cream. This one was $2 from the Chemist Warehouse thing, which made it $1 because it was half price. Then I have some hair ties that I bought recently at Kmart. I realized I had like no normal hair ties. I only have the like plastic, I don't know, whatever they're called, hair ties. No like normal hair ties, so I needed to pick some of those up and they were like $1. Then I have 2 pens, ooh, and a hair, yuck. 2 pens at the bottom of my bag, just one that I've probably stolen from a bank or something. And then I have this one here, which is actually something that's really close to my heart. My dad made me this pen all from hand. It's so beautiful. And it just says, Natalie, love Dad, which he engraved in the side of it. It's so beautiful, and I always have this close by with me. Next, I have my work ID. I'm not gonna let you see it up close, but this is my ID, little nurse's watch on the bottom there. Then I have this hairbrush. This one was sent to me in like a PR package or something. It's like a little Tangle teaser type thing. It's rose gold by Tangle Pro Lady Jane. It's kind of cute, and it just like clips up together here so that it stays all in one piece and doesn't get like messy in your bag or anything. Then I have some little lollies. These are just Joel's, I don't know, 99% sugar free apparently, so they obviously must be like skinny lollies. Then in the bottom I have a 10-cent coin. I have some headphones. Then in the side pocket I have lots of things as well. I have a cap from something. I have some dental floss. Oh my actual god. Something's shattered in my bag. I don't know what it is because there's glass everywhere. I also have my Jeffree Star I'm Nude liquid lipstick, which is my favorite nude liquid lipstick, favorite nude lipstick in general. And I have a little mini perfume. This is a Britney Spears, oh no, Kim Kardashian glam one. I don't know, it came in a set or something and I popped it in my bag just in case I need to be smelling fresh. I have my favorite lip liner, which is MAC Soar. I've been looking for this bloody pencil for so long. I was just about to buy another one. It's in my bag, in my pocket, which I never would have looked in. Then I have an EOS lip balm. This is like a coconut one. I love this. I always have lip balm in my bag and in my car as well. Got some little loratadine tablets, which is for like hay fever. I don't really know why I have that in there, but I do. And I've got some earplugs because this girl has got sensitive ears. They like burn all the time. Whenever I'm in the wind, my ears are burning, so got those earplugs. Then I have some other things. Oh my god, it was a perfume. Can you see that? I didn't even know that that was in there, but that's a perfume. That was like a rollerball perfume, but it's broken. And I have this little baby elephant. This is like a lucky elephant. If you know me, you know that I love elephants and I used to collect them. And this one here stays in my handbag because it's my little lucky elephant and keeps me safe. There's like glass shards going everywhere. I have a little mint, I have a hair tie, and then I have a little Alco wipe from work. So that is everything that was in this rank little bag. This bag is from Sports Girl, by the way. It's just like a long body bag. I just like plain black bags. I don't go for like designer bags or anything because I just trash them, and that's really it. So guys, that is the end of this video. This was a very weird video to film, but I just thought, you know what? I got some spare time. Let's see what's in my bag. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up for me. And if you're new to my channel or haven't already, make sure to hit subscribe down below, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!